As you know, one of the ways to earn dollars is to earn money from YouTube. But the question is, how can we get the income with these limitations? It may be a bit difficult to withdraw money, but note that it's much better someone who creates an account for you and joins on YouTube is abroad. After that person joins YouTube and launches a channel, he or she should select you as one of the main channel managers. It's simple as drinking water. You just need to register your email as one of the managers. Once he has selected you as the main manager, the job is almost done and you are the main manager of the channel. From here, things get trickier, and this is where the true fun of dating comes in. After your partner settles an account with YouTube, you can convert the dollar income you have earned into 2 months through online exchanges. This method is one of the easiest ways to settle an account with YouTube. Subscribe our YouTube channel to watch the rest of this video and more. In this method, YouTube account will not doubt you at all and you will go through all the steps legally. Of course, there is another way to settle accounts with YouTube, which can be a bit difficult and risky. In this method, you have to create a virtual server and through it create a PayPal account and do all your activities to earn money from YouTube on it. But because this method has a high risk, we do not recommend it at all. The rule that YouTube has for depositing you is that first of all, your channel must have 1000 active members or subscribers, and second, your videos have been viewed for more than 4000 minutes. This means that a total of 4000 minutes of your videos have been viewed. The second rule is that you must have also Google AdSense service. This means that you must be a member of it because your income is paid through Google AdSense, which makes membership in this system easy. The very important point is that your bank account details must be the same as your YouTube and Google AdSense account details, even your email. I mean the same details of your partner abroad. Everything should be real. It's as if your partner is making money from YouTube, so its specifications must be the same everywhere. As you know, one of the most important principles of earning money through YouTube is to have a channel that has attractive videos. If you feel you are capable of producing video content, buy the necessary equipment now and start producing video. Try to produce videos that are attractive in every way. What is the topic, what is the title, and what is the content of the video is very important to attract the audience. Look for new ideas for producing content on YouTube. If you have a website, be sure to invite your members to your YouTube channel to see more videos. Also, one of the best ways to increase the visibility of your videos is to use your YouTube videos directly on your website. If you are active on other social networks like Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, or Facebook, share your videos on them to be seen more. According to YouTube rules, if you submit immoral content and any content that violates YouTube rules, your channel will be closed. Of course, YouTube warns you 3 times and blocks your channel at the 4th time. Another thing that can cause your channel to be blocked is video tampering. The purpose of using fake methods is to increase views, likes, and taps and click on ads. When your YouTube channel members grows, it becomes a good source of brand advertising. You can earn money from YouTube by receiving advertisement of different brands and introducing their products and services in your videos. You do not need to take action to receive advertising orders from different brands. Rest assured that if your channel members grows and you become an influential person, they will come to you and offer their cooperation.